Hello and welcome back to my English classes. Now today we are going to see the poem The Tale of Custard the Dragon by Organ Nash. Now first I will tell you the central idea, then the stanza wise explanation. Okay? The Tale of the Custard the Dragon is, as title says, is a funny and humorous poem. परेशान करने वाली पोएम है, फनी पोएम है. इट टेल्स द स्टोरी ऑफ अ लिटिल गर्ल बेलिंडा. शी यूज टू कीप पेट्स लाइक डॉग्स, mouse and dragons and so on. She loves to keep animals with her in a little house. Her pets expect the dragon have been described as very brave. Among all the pets, dragon was considered to be the bravest of all the pet animals. The dragon has been described as very coward who always looks for safety in the cage. Okay, according to the poem, it is by her it is expected that dragon is the bravest. But here the poet says that it is considered, he is described as a very coward pet animal. ठीक है, क्यों? coward का मतलब क्या है? से coward means डरपोक. ठीक है, and he used to try to hide himself in the cage. The dragon, however, shows and proves his bravery when he kills a pirate who enters Belinda's house. Now, here once he is considered as a coward, but he showed his braveness when he killed the pirate when it comes into the house of Belinda. The poem carries a simple meaning that all that glitters is not gold, or never judge a thing by its appearance. मुहावरा है ना, phrases हैं, items हैं कि जो चीज़ चमकती है वो हीरा नहीं होती है. At times, the things which appears like a gold to you, it is not a gold. Or you cannot judge a person by its cover. Means फिजिकल एक्सटर्नल अपीयरेंस से यू कैनॉट जज अ पर्सन कि वो कैसा है. ठीक है. द ड्रैगन फेसेस द पायरेट हु एंटर्स बेलिंडा's हाउस टू हार्म her and her pets and ultimates him with bravery. Here is a sting of ballad in the structure of the poem. There is a ballad in the structure. Poetic devices कौन से यूज हुए हैं? Simile, when a comparison is made between two words using like and as, means similar. ठीक है, as gold as snow, it is like simile. Mouth like fireplace, कहते हैं ना, मुंही आपकी जुबान एक ऐसी चीज़ है जो आग भी लगा सकती है और पीसफुल भी कर सकती है. ठीक है. Repetition of words, suddenly they heard Belinda paled and she cried, help, help. So this is the repetition of words. Alliteration means repetition of initial consonant sounds in the same line. And blink said weak. Okay, the k sound is coming out in the word blink and weak. K is ending. Rhyming scheme है. Every stanza has a rhyming scheme. A A B B. However, in the stanza 13, it is A A B B C C. जैसे chords होते हैं ना, musical chords A B C D, वैसे ही these are rhyming schemes. Now we'll start with the poem stanza-wise explanation. Belinda lived in a little house, white house, with a little black kitten and a little grey mouse, and a little yellow dog and a little red wagon, and a trillo little pet dragon. Okay, now आप अगर इसको पढ़ोगे तो थोड़ी फनी टाइप की लग रही है कि हाउ कैन यू कीप अ ड्रैगन विथ यू विद द स्मॉल पेट एनिमल्स. ठीक है. Now here she explains, this paragraph explains that it opens with an introduction of Belinda, the main character in the poem, and her pets. Belinda is a little girl and she lives in a little house where she has kept a dragon, dog, mouse and so other pets, animals. Her pets are a black kitten, a little grey mouse, a little yellow dog, a little dragon and a little red wagon. ठीक है, next paragraph, sorry, stanza. Now the name of the little black kitten was Ink. Okay, in the second paragraph, here it is the poet has given the description about the pet animals. Now the name of the little black kitten was Ink. That means the kitten was called as Ink. And the little grey mouse, she called him Blink. Ink, Blink. And the little yellow dog, Mustard. And the dragon was a coward and she called him Custard. Now here you see the rhyming scheme also. Ink, Blink, Mustard, Custard. So you can underline in your book. Now here Belinda has named her little black kitten as Ink, her little grey mouse Blink, a yellow dog Shark, Mustard, and a dragon who was a coward named Custard. The dragon is shown as coward as he fears a lot. ठीक है? Next stanza. Custard the dragon had big sharp teeth and spikes on top of him and scales underneath. आपने ड्रैगन देखा है? मूवीज में देखा होगा. So ड्रैगन की स्किन बहुत हार्ड होती है और उस पर ऐसे ऐसे निशान बने होते हैं ना. तो here in this stanza she is describing the physical appearance of the dragon. Mouth like a fireplace, chimney for a nose, and trailu daggers on his toes. Now we'll see the explanation. Custard physical description is given here in this stanza, as I have already told you. ठीक है? He has big sharp teeth and spikes on top of him and scales underneath. Spikes क्या होते हैं? नोकदार जो होते हैं कांटे, उसकी स्किन के ऊपर है. ठीक है? His mouth is like a fireplace and nose like a chimney. माउथ जो है जब वो मुंह खोलता है तो क्या आग निकलती है, आपने मूवीज में देखा होगा. एंड नोज जब वो ब्लिंक करता है तो वो धुआं निकलता है उसकी नाक से, लाइक अ चिमनी. द ड्रैगन स्पिट्स फायर which makes his mouth like a fireplace and nose as chimney out of which comes the smoke. As I have already told you, when he throws the fire from his mouth, the smoke comes out from his nose. His toes are so pointed and sharp that they could not cut anything like a dagger. जैसे चाकू होती है या नुकीली चीज़ होती है, उसके नाखून पैर के ऐसे हैं कि अगर वो किसी चीज़ पे भी ऐसे मार दे तो वो कट जाए. There is an irony here in the sense that this dragon looks menacing yet is coward and always seeks to save shelter. Though in physical appearance वो डरावना दिख रहा है, वो खतरनाक पेट दिख रहा है, but in actual the dragon is a coward who used to save himself inside the cage. Now we will start with the fourth stanza. Belinda was as brave as a barrel full of bears, and Ink and Blink chased lions down the stairs. Mustard was as brave as a tiger in the range, but Custard cried for a nice safe cage. Now see the rhyming words: bears, stairs, rage, cage. Now we will we'll see the explanation. Barrel means container. Chased means to follow someone. ठीक है? Stairs means steps, staircase, and rage means anger. Now we'll see. In this stanza, the bravery and the intrepidity of the inmates of Belinda's little house, except dragon, is given. Now in this stanza, they are describing about the house and the pets in the Belinda's house, except the dragon. Belinda's bravery has been compared with the bravery of many bears combined together. एक बियर की ताकत ऑलरेडी बहुत ज़्यादा होती है, but here the writer has given, the poet has given the strength of many bears together. तो सोचो वो कितनी ब्रेव है. ओके. Ink and Blink, despite their small size, can chase lions down the stairs. Ink and Blink were the mouse and the cats. Okay, the name was given to them. So these were so you can say was good enough and brave. Stamina, courage इतना था कि they can put down the lions down the stairs. Means lion को ढकेल के they can put down the lions. Her dog Mustard bravery has been measured equal to the tiger in anger. When the tiger comes in anger, तो उसका जो level, गुस्से के level की वजह से वो बहुत ज़्यादा strong दिखता है. तो यह the Mustard, the dog of Belinda, has been described as a angry tiger. But Custard is completely opposite to his physical description. This in the previous stanza we have seen that though he appears strange, though he appears dangerous to the people, but from inside he is not very good. Instead of being brave, he always looks for the nice, safe cage. Though he looks brave, but internally he is weak enough. Next stanza. Belinda tickled him. She tickled him unmerciful. Ink, Blink and Mustard, they rudely called him Percival. They all sat laughing in the little red wagon at the Relio Trilio cowardly dragon. Now the rhyming scheme: merciful, Percival, wagon, dragon. Now tickle means amused. जैसे मजाक में तो ये हो गया कि हमने गुदगुदी करी, बट यहाँ पे टिकल का मतलब है कि उसको नेगेटिव वे में बोल रहे हैं. ठीक है. Belinda tickles the dragon cruelly so as to make him laugh. बुरी तरीके से उसको मजाक उड़ाना, बुरी तरीके से उसको गुदगुदी करना ताकि वो हंसे. The dragon is hard-skinned, whereas tickle means so soft. Okay, because his skin is hard, so the tickling cannot be touched to his skin so hard. The dragon's responding to tickle proves that he is soft. Ink and Blink and Mustard rudely name his as Percival. ठीक है, क्योंकि उसकी स्किन बहुत हार्ड है, तो हमारे छूने से उसको ऐसा लगे जैसे कोई हल्की सी चीज़ छू रही है, बिकॉज हिज स्किन इज हार्ड. और यहाँ पे मस्टर्ड और कस्टर्ड ये सब जो है, ब्लिंक, इंक, ये सब बेलिंडा के साथ मिलके उसके साथ टिकलिंग कर रहे हैं. सीइंग द ड्रैगन रिएक्ट टू टिकल मेक्स इंक, ब्लिंक एंड मस्टर्ड लाफ. ठीक है, जैसे हम लोग को अगर कोई गुदगुदी करता है तो हम लोग को देख के दूसरा भी हंसता है, हम लोग को तो हंसी आती है, दूसरा भी हंसता है. इन द सेम वे ऑल वर लाफिंग विद द टिकलिंग ऑफ ड्रैगन. They laugh at him sitting in the little red wagon. However, this laughter is a kind of making mockery of him due to his cowardice. जैसे हम लोग किसी का मजाक उड़ाते हैं ना कि बनते बहुत अच्छे हैं और हैं ठुस्सू. ठीक है, कहते हैं ना हवा, अरे हवा भरी हुई है, ये दिखने का ही मोटा है. तो इन द सेम वे they were making fun of dragon that in appearance he is dangerous, but Ango he is like a coward. Next stanza. Belinda giggled till the shook the house. The Blink said, "Frick, which is giggling for a mouse?" Ink and Mustard rudely asked his age, when Custard cried for a nice safe cage. Now again the rhyming words: house, mouse, age, cage. Now giggled means laughing in a silly way, non-stop, unnecessarily laughing. ठीक है. Winked means laughing sound. When you laugh loudly, the sound from your mouth comes out, right? Rudely means गुस्से से. Now we'll see the explanation. Belinda laughs a lot at the dragon, so much that the house shakes. ठीक है. जैसे मान लीजिए हम बिस्तर पे बैठ के अगर खूब ज़ोर से हंसते हैं तो बिस्तर क्या होता है, हिलता है. In the same way, the writer is saying this thing, that when Belinda and everyone is laughing together, the house is shaking. Ink and Mustard The blink says weak, which is giggling sound of a mouse. मतलब जो माउस हंस रहा है, क्योंकि वो तो छोटा सा क्रिएचर है, तो वो अगर ज़ोर से हंसेगा तो उसकी आवाज़ भी एकदम महीन सी सुनाई देगी. Ink and Mustard asked the dragon his age rudely to make fun of him as he behaves like a small kid. Now at times what happens, कभी कभी our parents also say बच्चों की वाली हरकत मत करो. According to our age we should be mature enough. So here in the same manner, here Mustard and Blink said to ask the dragon his age, according to his age, because he is treating like a small kid. So that is why they are asking the age of the dragon. But the dragon is not a small kid. He cries for a safe, nice cage as he is a coward. As everyone is tickling him, as everyone is making fun of him. At times with us also it happens that कि मजाक में जब बहुत ज़्यादा मजाक हो जाता है तो we feel uncomfortable. अगर मान लीजिए हम लोग में से किसी एक का मजाक उड़ रहा है तो एक समय तक आप उसको मजाक में ही लोगे, बट व्हेन इट ड्रैग्स ऑन देन इट बिकम्स शेमलेस फॉर अस. ठीक है, तो हम क्या करते हैं कि हम यहाँ से चले जाएं. In the same way, when everyone was making fun of the dragon, he was finding a cage to save himself, because at some particular time he started thinking that they are disobeying him. They are not taking it as in a fun way. They are insulting the dragon. Next stanza. Suddenly they heard a nasty noise, and Mustard crawled, and they all looked around. Much, cried Ink, and oh, cried Belinda, for there was a pirate climbing to the window. Now, rhyming words sound around. Belinda, window. Nasty means bad, negative way में. Crawled means low thundering sound. ठीक है, गरजने की हल्की साउंड. Pirate, sea dacoit. ठीक है, समुद्री डाकू. विंडा मीन्स वर्ड फॉर विंडो. विंडो का शॉर्ट फॉर्म यहाँ पे क्या लिया है? विंडा. नाउ विल सी द एक्सप्लेनेशन. While all of them are busy making fun of the dragon, there comes a nasty sound from the house. A different kind of sound came in from the house. Mustard crawled while all of them looked around, looking for the source of unpleasant sound. अब जैसे मान लीजिए सब लोग हंस रहे हैं और अचानक से कोई ज़ोर से चीख दे, तो वो साउंड क्या है? वो एक अलग सी साउंड आ गई है. देन एवरी वन ऑफ यू विल लुक हियर एंड देयर कि कहाँ से वो साउंड आई है. इन द सेम मैनर व्हेन द साउंड द थंडरिंग लो थंडरिंग साउंड केम आउट, तो वो लोग सब ढूंढने लगे कि ये आवाज़ किधर से आ रही है. Ink cries much and Belinda cries oh. Very soon they see a pirate climbing a window of the house with an intention of robbing the house. Pirates जो समुद्री डाकू होते हैं, ठीक है, they saw that this person or this one is coming to rob the house. Next para. Pistol in his left hand, pistol in his right, and he held in his teeth a cutlass bright. His beard was black, one leg was wood. It was clear that pirate meant no good. Now again the rhyming words. Right, bright, wood, good. Cutlass means sword. That means in one hand he was holding the sword, ठीक है, and in the other hand भी कुछ पकड़ रखा था जिससे लग रहा था कि now he is going to rob the house. We'll see the explanation. The pirate appears and looks very menacing and dangerous. ठीक है, भयानक और खतरनाक दिख रहा था वो. ठीक है, he is carrying many arms, pistol in both his arms. Arms यहाँ पे कंधा नहीं है, arms वहाँ पे shooting arms हैं, weapons. ठीक है, in both his hand. He holds a cutlass in his teeth as well, means sword जो कहीं कैसे भी काट दे. He has a black beard and his one leg is of wood, indicating that he is a rough and tough guy. Though he is not having one leg with him, एक लकड़ी का पैर लगा हुआ था, Even then he was courageous to climb up to the window. He must have lost his leg in some battle or fight. It is clear that the pirate means harm to the inmate of the house. He symbolizes danger to all. Though his leg is cut off, though he is dangerous, though he cannot walk properly, but even then he appears as if he is going to kill everyone. In other words. Next para. Belinda paled and she cried, "Help, help." But Mustard fled with a terrified yelp. Ink tickled down to the bottom of the household, and little Mouse blinked strangely. Mousehold. Okay, help. Rhyming words. Help, yelp, household, mousehold. Now here paled means got yellow. जब डर जाता है कोई तो हमारा फेस पीला पड़ जाता है, कहते हैं ना, पीला पड़ गया डर के मारे. Fled means ran. Terrified yelp means fearful sound. ठीक है. Trickle down means went down. Strangely means with a strategy, with a technique. Now we'll see the explanation. Belinda is greatly frightened seeing the pirate and becomes pale with fear and cries for help. डर के मारे उसका चेहरा पीला पड़ गया था. And she was so scared that she cried. All her brave pets flee from the scene. Flee means went away from the scene after seeing that Belinda was frightened. So सब डर के मारे इधर उधर चले गए. Mustard flees with a terrified yelp and Ink hides down to the bottom of the household. Mustard flee with a terrified yelp means डरावनी आवाज़, डरने वाली जो आवाज़ होती है वो निकालते हुए he hide himself and Ink hide himself in the bottom of the household things. Little Mouse disappears in his mouse hole, leaving Belinda all alone exposed to the pirate. Means every pet was away from Belinda. Now here only two characters were there, Belinda and the pirate. Their so-called bravery is of no use to Belinda. जो अभी last in the previous paragraph we have seen the braveries of all the pets, even the dragon ones, but everything was useless because at the time of bravery they all were not standing with Belinda.